In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Excel to generate random numbers that is uniformly distributed between A and B. In Excel, there's a built-in function called Rand. If you type in this function, Excel will generate a number between 0 and 1. If you like Excel to generate any integer that is uniformly distributed between A and B, you're going to use function Randbetween A and B. B is the upper bound of a uniform distribution. A is the lower bound. So B should be greater than A. If you want to generate random number that is including fractions, you will have to type in a formula, A plus the difference between upper and the lower limits of a uniform distribution, multiplied by Rand function. Next, I'm going to switch to Excel to demonstrate how to use these three functions. Okay, so let's type in Rand parentheses. Doesn't matter whether you use lower or uppercase, except, well, no, it's a Rand function. So typing return on my Mac will generate a random number. You could replicate this random number by copy and paste the formula. My preferred way of copy paste is use mouse. Click the left button and then point it down. There you go. So we just generate 100 random numbers between 0 and 1. Next, let's look at that the lower bound equal 1 and upper bound equal 100. Generate integers that is randomly distributed between 1 and 100. So you're going to use Randbetween and put the lower bound and then upper bound. Because I want to copy the formula, so we're going to use absolute reference to keep lower and upper bounds fixed. A lower bound is E2 and upper bound is F2. Push Enter and then generate a number. Again, so to replicate the process, you could copy paste the formula by push left button of your mouse and then simply pull it down. In the third column, I wanted to generate random numbers between 1 and 100, including fractions. Therefore, we're going to type in a formula, which is the lower bound in E2 plus difference between upper and push return. And Excel generate a random number. Again, you can copy the formula down. All right, so you just using Excel spreadsheet generate random numbers. If you push any button, usually in the Excel, all the numbers will change usually. If you want to keep those values fixed, one way to do it is copy paste, copy this whole column, and then I wanted to push to another, paste another column, and then use paste special to paste value only, not the formula. You see the value in this column changed, but the value in I will not change. Right. So no matter how you push, column I will not change. But column A, B, C, if you do something on the spreadsheet, those numbers will change.